Welcome back! Today, we're diving into a classic Italian favorite, lasagna. Layered with rich flavors and creamy textures, it's the perfect dish for any occasion. Whether you're cooking for your family or preparing a meal for a special dinner, this recipe will leave everyone asking for seconds. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for the meat sauce. 500 grams of ground beef or turkey, 1 jar, 24 ounces of marinara sauce, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. For the cheese filling, 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 large egg, and a pinch of nutmeg. Other essentials: 9 to 12 lasagna noodles, pre-cooked or no boil, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella for topping, and fresh parsley for garnish. Let's bring these together to create layers of deliciousness. Start by heating a large skillet over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then sauté the chopped onions and garlic until fragrant. Next, add the ground beef or turkey, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once browned, drain any excess fat. Now, stir in the marinara sauce, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to blend. Your kitchen will smell amazing by now. While the sauce simmers, let's prepare the cheese filling. In a large bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella, grated Parmesan, and the egg. Add a pinch of nutmeg for that subtle touch of warmth. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. Now comes the fun part: assembling the lasagna. Start by spreading a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Next, add a layer of lasagna noodles, followed by a layer of cheese filling, then another layer of meat sauce. Repeat this process until you run out of ingredients, finishing with a generous layer of meat sauce on top. Sprinkle the remaining shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the top. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbling. Let the lasagna rest for 10 minutes before serving to ensure perfect slices. And there you have it, homemade lasagna that's absolutely irresistible. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with a side of garlic bread or a crisp salad. Trust me, this recipe is going to be a family favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!